With more than 2.8 billion gamers worldwide, gaming is one of the fastest growing industries. Producing intuitive video games for individuals and groups necessitate a unique blend of technical and artistic skills. Stay tuned to learn about the best game design career, what a game developer does, what skills they need, and how to get started. A game developer creates the features that make a video game functional. They write the code that instruct a machine or system on how to play the game. Game developers create games or fundamental features and test them and provide design evolution. Broadcasting businesses, educational resource provider, event organizer, advertising agencies, and marketing corporations hire gamers for various roles. They are proficient in mathematics, computer science, and programming. It is also beneficial to continue developing your technical skills, such as learning a new computer language. In addition to technical skills, game creators should have the appropriate soft skills, including creativity, problem-solving abilities, ability to work individually as well as in a team, good communication skills, and ability to adapt according to the changing trends. Now let's look at the roles and responsibilities of a game developer on a daily basis. Taking requirements and turning them into clean, efficient code. Creating the platform on which the game will operate. Making prototypes of the feature that have been proposed. Creating work schedules and establishing milestones. Script writing and storyboarding. Characters and things in the game are animated. Managing the game's audio-visual aspect. Creating unit test and validation method to maintain quality. Technical specifications are being documented, fixing and resolving bugs and issues as they emerge. Now let's see how to become a game developer. Obtain a relevant diploma. Comprehension of computer language, create a portfolio. Obtain practical experience, improve your skills with advanced classes. After passing the higher senior secondary certificate exam, student can enroll in a game design course. A diploma or bachelor's degree in game design and bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, or other relevant subjects are required for game designers. Students must be familiar with programming languages, and engineers may have a superior understanding of the technical aspect of computer applications. The game and multimedia industries are rapidly expanding. Apart from computer and console gaming, mobile games are a relatively young segment of the gaming industry in India. Working with game developers or game publishing businesses are more established career for game designers. These can range from small to large businesses that make games for other companies. So if you feel like you have finally met your match or seem to be stepping closer to it, head straight to our listed courses on game development and sign up for the one that suits your needs the most.